Hello guys, if you want $10, just watch this video. So see how you can be making constant $10 every single day. Just watch this full video. Watch it. It's not even long, 5 minutes video. Watch it and learn how you can make $10 every single day. Watch this video. So guys, on this video, like I said from the beginning, I will show you how you can make $10 with Coinbase. So just keep on watching. Let me show you how. So once you create your account, or if you don't have your account, you can watch this video now that will pop up that will show you step by step how you can create your Coinbase account. For those of you who already have your Coinbase account, how it works, what you have to do is to click on this section where it says learning reward. Once you click on this section where it says learning reward, what you do here is to take quiz of 1 minute. You will make $1. So that is what you just have to do. So look at what I have to do. I have to click on, you can see now this company which is a crypto platform, which is which is this company Near, and they have offer for me which is $3. What I have to do, I have to watch the quiz and I will get paid. So what I just have to do, I need to click on the quiz. I will just click on it. It's going to open in a new window. So as you can see guys, the quiz have opened. All I just need to do is to read through very fast. You need to be fast when you are taking this quiz. Read through to know what they are talking about this company, which is this crypto platform, which is Near, that is partnering with Coinbase. What you have to do is to read through everything that they are saying here and participate on the survey. So once the this timeline here, you can see at the top here that is rolling down. Once you get to this edge here, they will ask you a question. What you have to do is to answer the question correctly. What I have to say that there is no right or wrong answer. So if you answer it wrong, you can repeat it again and until you answer the question right. So as you will see now that I will just make $1 for just taking this quiz. It's very, very simple. I just need to wait to the end, and if they tell me what is this quiz about, I will answer this quiz is about this, is about that, just for example, and I will make money. So as you can see now, it says what is Near. So I can answer like a cryptocurrency exchange, an NFT marketplace, an decentralized financial protocol, or I can say that a simple, fast, secure, and climate natural blockchain. Or it just depends on you, but you need to make sure you read it correctly so that you can answer the question. So what is Near? So I can just search, for example, let me say I will click on this one here. So as you can see, I just earned $1 by just doing that. All I just did was selecting the answer that I feel like this is the right answer for me. You can see that I just made $1. So that is how it works. I just take this short quiz and I'm making $1 for just 1 minute of spending my time on this company, which is Near on Coinbase platform. So that is how it works. And once you answer the question correctly, you earn the $1. They will send you an email like this. They will send you an email like this. And if you open it, this is how the email will look. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. You have to go and do this method. So as you can see guys, I just made $3 by just taking this 1 minute quiz, which is 3 minutes of my time. I just make $3. You can see it at the top here. So that is it guys. That is how you can make money with this application Coinbase. And if I click on continue here, it's done. So I will just scroll down here and click on done, and it will take me back to Coinbase. So that is how it works. You can see I can continue taking this quiz now. There's $3 again for me to make. I can just click on this quiz again, keep on taking this quiz, and I'm making money. If I go to my homepage here, you will see that the money we increase. If you see, when we started the video, I think it was I think it was the balance was about 14 euros, and now you can see that the money have been added. And yeah, so that is how I make free money with Coinbase. So you can go and try it out, and if you want to use Coinbase, the first link in the description will be Coinbase. You can just go try Coinbase out and start using it to make money online. You can watch this full video here to learn how you can make money with Coinbase with this method, or if you want to start staking. So that is it guys. If you want to start staking with Coinbase, click on N, and here you can choose the asset you want to start using to stake, and you can start staking with it for completely free. You can see they have Ethereum, they have Tezos, they have Agorand, they have a lot of companies here. You can see they have Cosmos, they have Cardano, they have Tinta, so you can just choose the one that you want to use to start staking and start using it to make free money online. So that is it, guys. I will see you on my next video.